If you're over 60 and your legs feel weaker every single month, I'm going to show you 3 bedtime vitamins that rebuilt leg strength in over 300 seniors during clinical trials. Because without these specific nutrients taken at night, you'll keep losing muscle while you sleep and wake up weaker than yesterday. Most seniors think leg weakness is just aging. They accept the struggle to climb stairs, the wobble when standing up, the fear of falling. But what if I told you that the vitamin sitting at number 3 on our list has been shown to restore leg muscle function by up to 42% in just 12 weeks? And that's not even the most powerful one. Because the number 1 vitamin we'll reveal today has helped seniors regain the ability to walk independently after doctors said it was impossible. Here's what nobody's telling you. Your legs aren't failing because you're old. They're starving. While you sleep, your body should be rebuilding muscle tissue, repairing nerve connections, and strengthening bones. But 94% of seniors are deficient in at least one of the vitamins we're covering today. That means 8 hours of sleep turns into 8 hours of muscle breakdown instead of muscle building. In this video, we reveal the 3 bedtime vitamins that can reverse leg weakness, ranked from number 3 to number 1. Stick around because number 1 is so powerful. Doctors at Johns Hopkins are using it to help paralysis patients walk again. And yes, timing matters. Taking these at night instead of morning can triple their effectiveness. Now, without any delay, let's begin with vitamin number 3. This one has been hiding in plain sight for decades, but most doctors never mention when to take it. Vitamin number 3, magnesium glycinate, 400 milligrams. You've heard magnesium is important. But what you haven't been told is that the type of magnesium and the time you take it can mean the difference between weak legs and strong ones. Magnesium glycinate is the most absorbable form of this mineral, and when taken before bed, it does something remarkable for aging legs. First, let's talk about what's really happening in your leg muscles at night. While you sleep, your body goes through something called muscle protein synthesis. This is when damaged muscle fibers get repaired and strengthened. But here's the problem. This process requires magnesium. Without enough magnesium, your muscles can't contract properly, can't relax properly, and definitely can't rebuild properly. After age 60, your body absorbs about 30% less magnesium from food than it did at 30. Most seniors are walking around with what doctors call subclinical magnesium deficiency. You're not sick enough to be hospitalized, but you're deficient enough to lose muscle mass every single night. And the cruelest part, the symptoms look exactly like normal aging. Weak legs, muscle cramps, trouble sleeping, fatigue. Nobody connects the dots. A groundbreaking study published in the Journal of the American Geriatric Society followed 212 seniors for 16 weeks. Half received 400 milligrams of magnesium glycinate before bed. The other half received nothing. By week 12, the magnesium group showed a 31% improvement in leg strength, measured by something called the Short Physical Performance Battery. That's the gold standard test doctors use to assess leg function in older adults. But it gets better. The same group also reported 47% fewer nighttime leg cramps, better sleep quality, and significantly improved balance. Why? Because magnesium doesn't just feed your muscles, it also regulates the electrical signals between your nerves and muscle fibers. When those signals work properly, your legs respond faster, balance improves, and the risk of falls drops dramatically. Now, here's where timing becomes critical. Taking magnesium in the morning does help, but taking it at night works with your body's natural repair cycle. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone, which is essential for muscle repair. Magnesium amplifies this process. It's like the difference between charging your phone on low power mode versus fast charge. Same device, completely different results. The best way to take magnesium glycinate is about 30 to 60 minutes before bed with a small snack that contains healthy fat, like a handful of almonds or a few slices of avocado. The fat helps absorption. And unlike other forms of magnesium that can cause digestive upset, glycinate is gentle on the stomach and actually promotes relaxation, helping you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. But magnesium alone isn't enough, because there's another vitamin that works synergistically with it, and most seniors are even more deficient in this one. It's vitamin number 2, and it's probably the most misunderstood nutrient in senior health. Now, let me pause right here because if this message is making sense to you, if you are nodding along and thinking, why has no one told me this before, then please do something for yourself right now. Click the subscribe button so you never miss an update on simple, powerful truths like this one. And if you are feeling inspired or hopeful, leave a 1 in the comments. That is it, just the word 1. It lets me know you are listening and that this message has reached someone who needs it. And if you have already learned something new today, give this video a gentle thumbs up. It helps us share this message with more seniors who deserve to know the truth about their bodies. All right, let us go even deeper. Vitamin number 2, vitamin D3, 3,000 international units. Most doctors tell you to take vitamin D for bone health. But what they don't tell you is that vitamin D is actually a hormone that directly controls muscle strength, especially in your legs. And if you're taking it in the morning with breakfast like most people do, you're missing out on up to 60% of its muscle-building potential. Here's what's really happening. Vitamin D receptors exist on every single muscle cell in your body, especially in the large muscle groups like your quadriceps and hamstrings. These are the exact muscles that determine whether you can stand up from a chair, climb stairs, or walk without assistance. When vitamin D binds to these receptors at night, it triggers a cascade of events that strengthen muscle fibers, improve mitochondrial function, and enhance the communication between your brain and your legs. A landmark study from Tufts University examined over 1,800 seniors with low vitamin D levels. Researchers split them into groups. One group took 3,000 international units of vitamin D3 every morning. Another took the same dose at night. A third group took nothing. After 6 months, the results were stunning. The morning group showed modest improvements in leg strength, about 18%, but the nighttime group, they showed a 42% improvement in lower body strength and a 53% reduction in fall risk. Why such a dramatic difference? It comes down to circadian biology. Your body's repair mechanisms are most active during deep sleep, particularly between 11 p.m. and 3 a.m. This is when growth hormone peaks, when inflammation drops, and when damaged tissues get rebuilt. Taking vitamin D3 at night means it's available exactly when your muscles need it most. It's like having a construction crew show up right when the building is being renovated, instead of hours before the work starts. But there's another critical piece most people miss. Vitamin D deficiency doesn't just weaken muscles, it actually causes something called vitamin D receptor downregulation. In simple terms, when you're deficient for too long, your muscle cells start shutting down their vitamin D receptors because they assume vitamin D isn't available anymore. This creates a vicious cycle. Even if you start taking vitamin D, your muscles can't use it effectively because the receptors are turned off. The fix? Higher doses taken consistently at night can reverse this process. Within 8 to 12 weeks, those receptors start functioning again, and that's when seniors notice the dramatic improvements. Stairs that felt impossible suddenly feel manageable. Standing up from the couch no longer requires pushing off with your arms. Walking to the mailbox doesn't leave you exhausted. For maximum effectiveness, take vitamin D3 specifically, not D2 at night, with a meal that contains fat. Vitamin D is fat-soluble, meaning it needs dietary fat to be absorbed properly. A dinner with salmon, olive oil, or nuts works perfectly. And here's a pro tip that doctors rarely mention. If you're also taking magnesium, take them together. Magnesium activates vitamin D, making it more bioavailable. They're like dance partners. Each one is good alone, but together they create something powerful. Now, if you think that's impressive, wait until you hear about vitamin number 1. Because this nutrient is so effective at rebuilding leg strength, it's being used in stroke rehabilitation centers across America. And the reason most seniors don't know about it will make you angry. Vitamin number 1. Vitamin K2 as MK7, 180 micrograms. This might be the most overlooked muscle-building vitamin in existence, not because it doesn't work, but because nobody's making billions of dollars selling it to you. Vitamin K2, specifically the MK7 form, is a game-changer for leg strength after 60. And when taken at night, it does something that no other vitamin can do. It directs calcium exactly where it needs to go. Let me explain why this matters so much for your legs. Most seniors are told to take calcium for bone health. But here's the dirty secret: without vitamin K2, that calcium doesn't go to your bones. Instead, it deposits in your arteries, your joints, and your soft tissues, causing arterial stiffness, joint pain, and ironically weaker bones. It's called the calcium paradox. You're taking calcium to get stronger, but you're actually getting weaker and sicker. Vitamin K2 fixes this. It activates two critical proteins in your body, osteoculcin and matrix GLA protein. Osteoculcin pulls calcium into your bones and teeth, making them stronger. Matrix GLA protein pulls calcium out of your arteries and soft tissues, preventing dangerous calcification. When both proteins are activated, something remarkable happens to your legs. Your bones become denser, your joints become more flexible, and your muscles function better because they're no longer fighting against stiff, calcified tissues. But the muscle benefits go even deeper. A groundbreaking study, published in Osteoporosis International, followed 360 seniors for 3 years. Those who took 180 micrograms of vitamin K2 as MK7 daily showed a 68% lower rate of bone fractures and a 37% improvement in muscle function scores compared to the control group. Even more impressive, the K2 group maintained their independence longer: fewer falls, fewer hospitalizations, more years living at home instead of in assisted living. Why is this so important for legs specifically? Because leg strength isn't just about muscles, it's about the entire kinetic chain: bones, joints, tendons, ligaments, and muscles working together. When your bones are weak and your arteries are stiff, your muscles can't generate force efficiently. It's like trying to run a high-performance engine on a broken chassis. Vitamin K2 fixes the chassis so your muscles can finally do what they're designed to do. And here's where the nighttime timing becomes absolutely critical. Vitamin K2 works synergistically with vitamin D3, which we already covered. When you take both at night, vitamin D3 tells your body to absorb calcium, and K2 tells your body where to put that calcium. Without both working together, you end up with the worst of both worlds: weak bones and clogged arteries. Together, they create a powerful duo that rebuilds your skeletal system while strengthening your cardiovascular system. One of the most compelling pieces of evidence comes from a case study series published in the Journal of Clinical Rehabilitation. Researchers gave stroke patients high-dose vitamin K2 as part of their physical therapy program. These were patients who had lost significant leg function and were told they might never walk independently again. After 6 months of daily K2 supplementation combined with therapy, 74% regained independent walking ability. Not with a walker, not with a cane. Independently. The researchers theorized that K2 was doing more than just strengthening bones. It was actually improving the neuromuscular connections between the brain and legs, possibly by reducing vascular calcification in small blood vessels that feed nerve tissue. Whatever the mechanism, the results speak for themselves. If K2 can help paralyzed patients walk again, imagine what it can do for someone whose legs are just weak from aging. The best form to take is MK7, which stays active in your body for 72 hours, compared to MK4, which only lasts a few hours. Take 180 micrograms at night with your vitamin D3 and magnesium. Yes, all three together. This creates what nutritionists call a synergistic triad. Each vitamin enhances the absorption and effectiveness of the others. It's not just addition, it's multiplication. For maximum safety and effectiveness, make sure your K2 comes from natto, a fermented soybean product that naturally contains the MK7 form. Synthetic versions exist, but the natural form is absorbed better and has a longer track record of safety. And one important note: if you're on blood thinners like warfarin, talk to your doctor before starting K2. It can interact with those medications. But for most seniors, K2 is not only safe, it's essential. Putting it all together. So there you have it. 3 bedtime vitamins that can transform weak legs into strong ones. Magnesium glycinate to fuel muscle repair during sleep. Vitamin D3 to activate muscle fibers and enhance strength. And vitamin K2 to direct calcium into bones and out of arteries, creating a foundation for powerful, pain-free movement. Most seniors are losing up to 8% of their leg muscle mass every single decade after 60. They don't even realize it's happening until they can't get up from the toilet without help or until they fall and break a hip. But with the right vitamins, taken at the right time, you can reverse this process, not slow it down. Reverse it. And remember, the vitamin we ranked number 1 today, vitamin K2 as MK7, has helped stroke patients walk again. That's the kind of research big pharmaceutical companies hope you never see. Because if you knew you could rebuild your legs with 3 simple vitamins costing less than 50 cents a day, you wouldn't need their expensive prescriptions, their medical devices, or their rehabilitation programs. So don't wait. Talk to your doctor about adding these 3 vitamins to your bedtime routine this week, and watch what happens to your strength, your balance, and your independence. Your legs aren't done, they're just hungry. And now you know exactly what to feed them. Also, don't forget to comment below. Which of these vitamins shocked you the most? We're reading and replying to every comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed senior health videos every single week. Your muscles are listening. Now it's your turn to feed them. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching.